Okay, so in dealing with the harness for the compressor, the condenser, and the power steering, I had to do quite a little bit, not quite a bit, but just a little bit of splicing and rigging to get this all set up. Again, these parts are from the 93 D21, and while the 86 D21 does have the wiring harnesses for these parts, because the truck is so much older, they're a little bit different. Here is the connection from the compressor. Yeah, it's tough to see because it's very bright, and that with the shadows and stuff, but it's just one prong. And this is the connection that it would go to the other end on the 86 D21. So I snagged the harness from the 93, and this is the end that goes on the compressor. Hopefully you can see that. And here's, I added this male end to it. So the male end, if I can just slide it in there, hopefully without any issues. Just slide it in there like that. And the other end, sorry, all jagged edged, out of focus. Slide her in there like that. And I had to do the same thing with the condenser, the connection for the condenser. The entire thing is from the 93 D21, but these are two different connections. This side goes to the condenser, and this side goes to the harness on the 86 D21. I had to splice them together. So hopefully I can get that in there in the first try. And in focus, hopefully. So that ends there. The opposite end, sorry, goes there. The last thing as far as the wiring harness goes is the power steering, which is the connections are here. Ground to battery and power. Other than that, the last thing I would have to deal with as far as the harness goes is the relay that goes there. But I'll deal with that later. But I was just, showing that you can work around, these little hiccups. Again, these trucks are, because the years are so far apart, and your connections will be there, but they'll be different. So just be aware of that. And then depending on your particular model, they may be in a slightly different location. So, but yeah, just wanted to share that info. Hope it helps. See ya.